Hello everyone, I am Akash Dongre. I am co-founder and chief product officer at this Appstore. I am thrilled to share with you our story of building India ka App Store in this App Store and our mission to challenge global tech giants by building a genuine homegrown challenger App Store right from India. It's been a remarkable journey, but we are just getting started to reshape the Indian tech landscape. Our journey started a decade ago in 2013 when we started in this OS a custom mobile and a custom Android operating system created for the Indian users with the idea of helping more than 500 million smartphone users to connect to internet for the first time. By 2016, we were India's second largest operating system, and we went on to become we had more than 10 million users, and we won several awards, including Nasscom Emerge 50 Award. In 2019, we partnered with Samsung and powered Samsung's Galaxy App Store, which went on to become a large app store and internet-scale user base of 250 million users. With the vision of building India's own horizontal B2C app store, we found the right partner in PhonePe, and PhonePe acquired us in 2022. With PhonePe, we are now planning to launch India's very own B2C app store in this app store. In this OS has been a remarkable journey. It's been a journey of innovation, resilience, and audacity to take on the global tech giants. But the era of in this App Store starts now. In this App Store, India's very own Android-based App Store is designed to cater to the diverse needs of our incredible users and developers. Our mission is simple: to build India's largest App Store, delighting app developers and consumers alike. We are crafting an Indian App Store that is localized, personalized, and actively supports all app developers. Today, the world is looking at the immense potential of Indian smartphone market, which is on track to become a 1 billion user market by 2026. We already lead in app downloads, and with highly affordable mobile data, the digital adoption is all-time high. Despite being such a large and globally significant market, app developers building apps for Indian market are dependent on a single app store. Need for an Indian app store has never been more apparent. Vast majority of Indians are looking for local app experiences, while developers are struggling with changing policies, lack of support, and high in-app payment commissions. Advertisers are facing rising user acquisition costs. In a space where innovation has stagnated due to lack of any real competition, in this App Store aims to bring a new era of competition that will spark creativity and challenge the legacy players. We recently announced the launch of in this App Store developer platform and are inviting all the app developers from young startups to large apps and games to list their application on our platform. In 2 to 3 months, we want to onboard all the developers from young startups, large apps, government apps, and then launch our consumer application in the market for all Indian users. Our developer platform is designed to cater to the diverse needs of all the developers and marketeers. It provides them the tools and avenues to make their application successful. Let me just walk you through some of the developer features of in this. Developers have been facing intense challenges with respect to getting right support from existing app stores when they're launching their applications. In this App Store, we'll offer a short round-the-clock support for app developers while they're listing their applications on our App Store. We will also help them with very clear and transparent policies. When you want to take your application from 0 to 100% of users, it becomes extreme challenge because you do not know how your users will actually get your application. Within this App Store, we will help you define custom cohorts and test your application on these cohorts, and then take control of the app rollout in that process. When it is about app updates, all developers face massive challenges. It takes 30 days for them to reach just to the 50% of the user base for the new app updates. Within this App Store, we promise to offer faster app updates by giving them better, by using intelligent updates and giving them better avenues to reach to the end user. A typical developer has to often look at a lot of information to make right decisions. He has to look at crash reports, he has to look at reviews, he has to look at analytics, and all of this becomes very confusing while actually launching the app. We will provide them real-time data as well as actionable information so that they can focus on the right metrics when they are launching the applications. We promise to give our developers advanced and differentiated tools so that they can actually have their app launch experience as smooth as possible. Let me quickly also talk about our developer offerings, our marketeers offering. 90% of Indians consume internet in their local languages. To solve for this, we are actually bringing in this App Store in 12 different Indian languages, covering 99% of the languages spoken in India. App discoveries in this App Store will be completely localized, which means users from all across India will be able to experience app discovery in their own languages. New apps often face challenges in getting themselves out in the market. In this Accelerate is going to be the best way to launch new applications in Indian market. Apps selected for in this Accelerate program will get enhanced visibility on our platform on places like search, videos, app slots, and that will give them enough visibility to get right number of downloads. Short video content has become a part of our daily lives now, and marketeers actually love them. We will bring multiple video formats in this App Store so that marketeers can share their story with their consumers and have better engagement through our platform. Recently, the industry is facing with what everyone is calling as funding winters. Advertising dollars are very tight. All marketeers now want to ensure that they get the right ad yields and reach out to only the relevant set of users. In this App Store, we'll provide all marketeers with a lot of avenues to reach out to the right users, as well as have targeted advertising so that they can reach to the millions of relevant users. We hope that these features will delight all the app developers as well as marketeers as we roll out our features. One of the main things which we have brought within this App Store is that we will not be charging any listing fees for the first year, and we will be the first platform, not only in country but in the world, to offer zero commissions on in-app payments. Yes, that's right, zero commissions on in-app payment, which means app developers can integrate any payment gateway in their applications to accept payments, and in this App Store will not charge any commissions. In this App Store, we believe in fostering a thriving ecosystem. That is why I invite you to list your applications on our platform and join the Indian revolution of building India's App Store. Please join our booth here outside and help you to get to the new revolution. Thank you.